welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. Alright guys, so this is an announcement for those of you that participated in the Zetachain SP campaign to maximize your chance in getting some potential airdrop. So I'm going to show you in this video on how you can claim Ultiverse token. So those of you that participated in Zetachain airdrop campaign, there was a section by which we performed some tasks on Ultiverse sites to get some potential reward or so. So I know a lot of people participated in the Ultiverse airdrop campaign as well, but someone like me, I visited Ultiverse because of the Zetachain Mainnet campaign. So now guys, those of you that participated in the Zetachain airdrop campaign, even though you performed one task, please make sure to check your Ultiverse allocation. And for you to check your Ultiverse allocation, what you need to do is to either visit their official X account, or you can check the description of this video for this link. So I'm going to paste this link at the description of this video for those of you that participated in the campaign to check. So now I'm going to copy this and take it to the site I use in participating in the Zetachain SP campaign. So I'm just going to use my Mrs. browser. So my MetaMask is already here. Just going to connect my Mrs. browser to it. Sorry, I'm just going to connect my MetaMask wallet to it. So make sure to visit the site. Now what you need to do is to click on Connect Wallet. Select the wallet you use in participating in the campaign. So I use my MetaMask wallet, so I'm just going to select MetaMask. Wait for it to process, for you to connect. Alright guys, so I've already connected before. So now after you connect your wallet, it's going to bring you back here for you to sign. So now I'm just going to sign. You're going to click on sign. Wait for it to process. So guys, please make sure to do this as quick as possible because this project is going to launch on the 6th of June 2020 at 10 a.m. UTC, and the deadline is on that day. So if you participated in the Zetachain SP campaign on mainnet, please make sure to do this as quick as possible. And if you participated in the Ultiverse Airdrop campaign as well, please make sure to check your allocation and do this as quick as possible because this is an easy step on how you can claim it. So after connecting your wallet and you have signed into your wallet, now what you need to do is to take it down. To take it down, you're going to see the task you did to get the airdrop. So this is the only task I did. First buy distribution, I got 15. So this is my airdrop allocation. So I just got Ultiverse of 15 token. So now guys, what you need to do, there's going to be an option for you to fill in your OKS exchange information. For those of you that got the token after checking and you discover that you got the token, what you need to do is to make sure you have an OKS account. And if you don't have an OKS account, please make sure to go to your Apple Store or Play Store and download OKS. When you are registering an account on OKS, please make sure to use my code so that you can get a rebate if you deposit first. So they are going to give some commissions on rebate. So after that, make sure to verify it. Make sure to verify your OKS account. Very important. If you're in Nigeria, you can use name. I think paper name, plastic name, international card, and the rest. If you're in another country, you're going to see option for you to select your document of verification. So after that, what you need to do is to bring it down here. So I set it on desktop site and copy your OKS user ID. So I'm going to copy my OKS user ID now and also copy your Ultiverse deposit address on Deb20. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to click here. Alright, going to click on here. Yes, now I'm going to click here. That is for the user ID. Minimize back here and paste it here. So after that, you minimize again, and you click asset. After clicking asset, you click on deposit. Yeah, you're going to see something like this, deposit. Look for deposit and click on it. And what you need to do is to search for ULTI. You can see Ultiverse token. Wait for it to load. You're going to see Ultiverse BSC. Click on it. All right, now what you need to do is just copy this. So just Ultiverse BSC, copy it, minimize back, and now what you need to do is to just click paste. After that, you click on submit. Make sure what you input is correct, then you click on submit. All right, guys, so looking on the screen, submitted. Now you take it down and you click on claim. Now you just click on submit. So you're going to see something like this pending. So let's just wait for it until it is successful. I think they are going to distribute it on the 6th of June, that is during the TGE day. So let's just wait for it. This is what you need to do before deadline day. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.